Well, I'd like to acknowledge Nat and Josh, who we met in a cafe yesterday in Fredericton. And what do you know, we got into conversation, and I approached them by asking them if they could decide our fate or help us decide where to go next, because we had some time. And they said, boy, you're asking the right people. And we got into what turned out to be about a 3-hour conversation around the amazing things that we could do in New Brunswick. And it does seem that New Brunswick is this province that most people just drive through, but they made it very clear to us that there's loads of amazing things to do there. So thank you so much, Nat and Josh. Thanks for the interview, by the way. I got to do an interview for the Talk to More People podcast with them. And they sent us to this place called Bouctouche, where these beautiful sand dunes on the east coast of New Brunswick. It's a bit rainy, but that's okay, because now it's brought us up to Miramichi. And we've had a delightful time. So thanks very much to that random conversation with Nat and Josh.